I received a bunch of old mounts a few months ago. I thought it'd be fun to try and restore a couple of them and hang them on the wall out here. The supplies I'm going to use for this video today is toothbrush, wire brush, a harder bristle brush, 2 microfiber cloths, a little bowl, soft bristle brush, a regular thing of water, and this bottle of water. I emptied it until about that label. Put Dawn dish soap and ammonia in there. Some show sheen stuff. You blow with the grain of the hair and not up against it. Take my rag, dip it in my water, ammonia, dish soap mix. Okay, so I got the deer looking pretty decent just from wiping it down with the ammonia, water, and dish soap mix. But now I've ran into a problem. The guy I got this off of, I guess he had these in a house where he smoked all the time. As you can tell, these antlers are not the color antlers should be. They're stained brown with tar. That mix wasn't cutting it. So what I did, got some acetone. I noticed when I scrub it, some of it comes off, like the paper towel's yellow. And that's doing more than the ammonia's doing. So what I believe I'm gonna do is simply wrap the antlers in paper towel and put acetone on it and just let it soak in there. Okay, so you can see for what it was, it looks a little bit better, and it'll just look better as it dries. Here's this eye, and here's this eye. It's getting better, it's looking better.
And the lips, like accumulated in there. It's like earwax looking stuff almost.
I don't really know what that is. Maybe it's not from the cigarettes. I don't know, but whatever it is, I'm gonna pick it out of those lips and put a thing of that epoxy sculpt in there. Just throw this out there. If you can't already tell, I have no clue how to use an airbrush really. I've used one like 4 times. I kind of get it, but it's also just, I don't know, it looks bad. It's also really important to remember that when painting, you never want to wear a respirator. Alright guys, here's my finished product. I'm not crazy about it. I know it could be a lot better, but given the circumstances of me not really using the airbrush that much and for a long time, the paint's not bad. And the fact that it was just covered in tar and nasty stuff. These antlers, I couldn't get the stuff off of them, that cigarette tar. So I wasn't really sure what to do about that. So I guess, I don't know, it can be unique. But yeah, the thing I'm most proud of is this nose. I think it looks sweet. And the eyes. They cleaned up really nice. And the lips, really. So, I mean, I'm not extremely happy with it, but I'm not disappointed. But yeah, it was a fun little thing to try. I enjoyed it. But yeah, that's all I've got for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.